in simple terms, more people voted in the Maharashtra Assembly elections than there are adults in Maharashtra. This is a fact. And the Election Commission gave us a figure, voting figure for 5:30 in the evening. And between 5:30 in the evening and 7:30 in the evening, when the polls were supposed to have closed, 65 lakh voters voted. Now, that is physically impossible to happen, right? Because for a voter to vote, it takes approximately 3 minutes. And if you do the math, it would mean that there were lines of voters till 2 o'clock at night voting all night, and this didn't happen. So we asked them, that look, you have videography taking place, if we ask. They not only refused to give us the videography, they changed the law so that now you're not allowed to ask for the videography. So it's very clear to us that the Election Commission is compromised. It's very clear that there is something very wrong with the system.
I think Maharashtra has always been the growth engine of India. And my pitch to the investors is that there's a very good investment climate in Maharashtra. Maharashtra accounts for 14% of the national GDP. It accounts for 20% of Indian exports. It accounts for 18% of Indian manufacturing. And it accounts for 35% of the FDI that comes to India.
इसरो के वैज्ञानिकों ने जो मिशन चंद्रयान हाथ में लिया था, आज उस मिशन को उन्होंने सफल बनाया है और चंद्रयान बहुत ही सेफली चंद्र के ऊपर लैंड कर गया है। मैं ऐसा मानता हूं, भारत के इतिहास में ये महत्वपूर्ण दिवस तो है ही, लेकिन आज का दिवस विश्व के इतिहास में भारत के दिवस के रूप में लिखा जाएगा।
India is progressing under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Now it has become 5th largest economy in the world, and hopefully soon we will become the 3rd largest economy in the world.